Hello friends, welcome to this session. In these sessions, I explain the quantum mechanics. This paper in BSc third year syllabus. This quantum mechanics paper number 12. The first unit is particle property of waves. In this unit, there is subtopics like introduction, photoelectric effect, quantum theory of light, Compton effect, de Broglie's wave function, de Broglie's wave velocity, wave and group velocity, G.P. Thomson experiment, the uncertainty principle and its applications. Now I am going to explain photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect can be defined as the emission of electron from a metal plate when illuminated by light of suitable frequency is called photoelectric effect. The electron emitted are known as photoelectron. This electron is flow through the outer circuit is called photoelectric current. Now this is the experimental arrangement of photoelectric effect. The apparatus consists of an evacuated glass tube sealed at both the end is provided with a quartz window W through which the ultraviolet light is allowed to incident on the cathode C. The opposite end there is a plate P which collect the emitted electron from the cathode C. A suitable potential difference is applied in between plate P and cathode C. Friend, it is observed that at very low frequency there is no emission of photoelectron from the surface of cathode, but as soon as the frequency reaches to a certain value, photoelectric current begin to flow through the circuit. Now I am going to explain some relation here, relation between photoelectric current and retarding potential. We know that the threshold frequency, what is threshold frequency? Threshold frequency means the minimum frequency required to escape the electron from the metal surface. The threshold frequency is different for different metal. Now here I take three different intensity of light, x1, x2, x3. I have to draw the graph between current and applied potential. The plate P having a positive, there is no matter, but if the plate P having negative, this electron is opposes by plate P. This negativity potential of plate P increases. What happen? The current flow through the circuit is zero at certain negative potential. That potential is called stopping potential. Now we have to see here three different intensity of light, but the stopping potential is same, but the current of different intensity of light having different current. It means that photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of light. Now I am going to explain next relation, that is relation between frequency of incident light and retarding potential. Here also taking three different frequency of light or different wavelength, means lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, here three different wavelength of light. But we notice that here at three different stopping potential, means different frequency of light having different stopping potential, means the frequency of light is related to stopping potential. It means that the kinetic energy of electron is directly proportional to the frequency of incident light. Here another graph shown three different metal 1, metal 2, metal 3. Three metals having three different threshold frequency. Okay, means frequency of incident light is directly proportional to maximum kinetic energy of electron. This photoelectric effect can be explained classical way also, but in classical mechanics there is some drawbacks. In classical mechanics cannot explain why the electron is emitted instantly when the light of frequency is incident on the metal plate. But in Einstein's can explain this effect in 1905 by considering Planck quantum theory. Einstein's performed this photoelectric effect in 1905 and he was awarded Nobel Award in 1921. Here Einstein's give us some relation, means h nu is equal to kinetic energy plus phi. H nu is the applied frequency, applied energy of photon is equal to kinetic energy maximum plus phi. Phi is the work function. This work function is different for different metal and h nu is the incident energy of photon. If nu 0 is the threshold frequency for particular metal, therefore phi is equal to h nu 0 at kinetic energy is 0. You are applying this, the h nu is equal to half mv square plus h nu 0. Therefore kinetic energy is equal to h in bracket nu minus nu 0. From this equation we find that if the incident frequency of light is less than threshold frequency, there is no photoelectric effect is occurs. Thank you very much.